Have you ever gotten advice like just read more Japanese to get better at reading? Well, that's not wrong. But if you don't understand the right approach and method, it won't help much. So in this video, I'll show you 4 simple hacks that will instantly improve your Japanese reading skills. Alright, let's go. So first of all, why is reading important? Reading is not just about understanding words. Yes, vocabulary, grammar, and kanji are very important, but they mean nothing if you don't read. You don't magically learn how to read just from learning this information. You learn to read by reading. Imagine this. Learning only grammar and vocabulary is just like a baseball player who only practice their swing. They check their form, do some practices swings, maybe hit the ball off a tee. But unless they actually step into the batter's box and try hitting a real pitch, they won't become a real hitter, right? Reading Japanese is the same. You need real practice, not just drills. That's how you actually improve. When you read Japanese, you naturally learn grammar, new vocabulary, and even kanji. It also helps you get used to how real Japanese sounds and feels. 1. Understand Japanese sentence structure. Before jumping into reading, you need to understand how Japanese sentences work. I've explained this in previous videos a lot, but here's an easy way to remember it again, right? A Japanese sentence is like a train. Each part of the sentence is like a train car, and the verb or main statement is always the last car. For example, 私はアニメが好きです. I like anime. The order is subject, object, and verb. So it's always S or V. Also in Japanese, you'll often see particles like wa or ga. These are grammar markers called joshi. They tell you what role each word plays in the sentence. So before reading lots of Japanese, make sure you understand the basic word order and what particles do. Even if you don't know many words yet, that's totally fine. You'll learn them through practice, okay? 2. Focus on the subject first. Always start by looking at who or what the sentence is about. Most Japanese sentences begin with a subject, like a person, a place, a thing. For example, この町は静かだ. This town is quiet. So この町 is the subject. 男の子が歌ってる. The boy is singing. Subject is the boy. It seems simple, but when you're reading, focus on the subject helps you get the meaning of the rest of the sentence more easily. Alright? 3. Use flash reading. Break it down. Japanese sentences can be long and hard to follow sometimes. So don't try to read everything at once. Instead, break things into small parts using slush reading. I'll show you examples. 男の子が公園で水を飲んでいる. You know, sometimes this kind of long sentence is a bit hard to understand for beginner, so use slush. 男の子が公園で水を飲んでいる. The boy in the park water is drinking. Right? Another one. 先生は日本語の本を読んでいます. 先生は日本語の本を読んでいます. The teacher, Japanese book is reading. Read one part at a time. This helps you see the structure and understand the meaning step by step. Okay? Over time, you'll start to recognize common sentences patterns, and reading will become much faster and more natural. 4. Read what you actually like. Don't force yourself to read boring textbooks or story you don't care about. Read what you enjoy. Whether it's manga, light novels, blog post, or even Japanese tweet. If it's interesting to you, you'll want to keep reading, right? And the more you read, the faster you'll improve without even realizing it. So choose content that makes you smile, laugh, or curious. Because learning should be fun, right? But pick something that matches your level. If you try to read something full of advanced grammar and unknown words, like novels, and it's way beyond your current levels. Even the best method won't help. It just won't work if the material doesn't match your level, right? This can be a little bit tricky if you're not sure what your, current level is. But you can usually make a good guess based on how much the vocabulary you already know. When the content is interesting and difficulty is right, you'll naturally read more, stay motivated, and improve much faster. For the beginners, I highly recommend, reading children's book or short stories for children. And there's actually pretty amazing child's books made in Japan. So give it a try. So don't just read something because it's good for studying. Okay? Read what you enjoy and what fits your current level. So let's review the 4 hacks. 1. Know how Japanese sentence structure works. 2. Focus on the subject first. 3. Use slush reading to break things down. 4. Read stuff you actually like. Reading doesn't have to be stressful or, boring. With the right mindset and these simple strategies, you'll start to notice improvement much faster than you think. Keep going, your Japanese reading skills are only going up from here, okay? That's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.